Good afternoon, children. We can start our EBS class. This is very interesting topic. Foods we eat. You want to listen very carefully. Not even doing in the work, but you want to follow these food habits in your life. Without having a good diet, it is not possible to lead a healthy life. So it should be in your mind. You should have a balanced diet or healthy diet. In your last class, you have learned what are the balanced diets. You already learned we should eat energy giving food, bodybuilding foods, and protective foods. Then only our food will be in a balanced form. So if there is no balanced food, we will fall sick, we will not get enough energy, then we will not be getting enough strength, or muscles or bones will be weak. That is why nowadays when the children are playing in the playground or somewhere, they will break their bones because of not having healthy food. So it should be in your mind, you should eat healthy food. Okay, then next we are going to read a Bibbul's family. What is Bibbul's habits, and about his family we will read it. Teacher is not going to read the page number 40 in your EVS textbook, but teacher will tell you. See, Bibbul came from school and he bought one butta. Butta means one corn cup. See, here we will eat corn after grilled or roasted in fire. So here also corn is the, our teacher will show you the picture what is the corn cup. So he came with a corn cup to home and he is asking to grandmother to come and have the corn cup with him. Then after that he went to upstairs where his sister is there, and sister was a 4 months baby, and then he started to give to sister also. Sister can't eat the corn cup. Then in his family also some people can't eat the corn cup. So what is the reason? Here we are going to discuss about how the people are eating. See, the small children can't eat all type of foods. Can they have all the types of food? Below 6 months old children, can they eat all type of foods what you are eating? No. So some babies can't eat all the foods. They can have mother's milk or liquid food only. So because why? What is the reason why babies are not having all the types of food? They don't have teeth. That the teeth will come only after 6 months. It will start to come only 1, 2, like that teeth will come. When they are at the age of 1 year, only they will get the teeth. Up to that much they can't eat all the types of food. We are talking about children, the small babies. Then what about you? Like you, all the children can eat all the types of food because your teeth are good, and when you are at the age of young stage also, young people also can eat all the types of food. They can chew with their teeth, and they can eat all the types of food. They will eat all the foods. But think about old people. Can they have all the types of food, children? No, maybe in your home also grandparents may be telling, I can't eat like this food because I don't have teeth. Maybe old people lose their teeth or their teeth may be wobbling. Wobbling means shaking. So they can't eat all the types of food. So they will also eat some not heavy foods. They will not have that much food, and they will eat some other foods. Okay, not all the foods. They sometimes they will eat rice soup or maybe loose foods. Okay, so they can't eat all the types of food. Here also Vibhu's family also like that. So you want to read that page 2 or 3 times, then you will understand. Then after that there is some activities to do. Teacher will give you read the questions, then ask your elders and fill in the table in page number 41. So what foods children will a child will eat, that you want to write. Young people how they eat and old people. Then next activity also you want to put a circle on the things that you eat often. What you are having, which type of food, is it rice, wheat or barley, oats, like that food if you are having, you can put a circle in that food. Okay, so you want to complete that food. Okay, children, rice, wheat, maize and millets are eaten by some states in our India. Rice is eaten by Bihar, West Bengal, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, all these states. And wheat is eaten by Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, all these states. These states people will eat wheat. And maize is the main food of UP, Punjab and Rajasthan. They will cook maize as their food item. Then millet is the food of Rajasthan, main food of Rajasthan. Children, you can write a notebook and write the food item and write the state's name. Okay children? Okay.